Okay, guys. We're back. Good afternoon. It's midday right now, 1 minute after 12. What a pleasure being with you guys here. I'm Ashley Reeve. Guys, let's get started. You know the drill. This is a lot of info that we discuss during these sessions. A lot of things are being mentioned, levels, zones, etc. But please do not construe that as advice in any way. Savage, I see you. Tanya, I see you. Jules, we are back. Welcome. If you're here for the very first time, a warm welcome to you right here. A warm welcome to you right here. Please enjoy it. Please enjoy it. It's a pleasure and it's a blessing to be with all of you guys today. All right. Are you ready to go? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you are ready to go. Let me know if you're ready to go. All right. I'll give all the slow pokes some time here to quickly get on. Quickly. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. Like the stream. Ready to roll? I see you there, Jules. Petunia, ready to roll on your side. Tanya, ready to roll. Dr. Ahmad, oh yeah, good afternoon to you. Good afternoon. Savage, did you see your Euro USD? I spoke about you at 9:30, so I didn't gossip, all right? Spoke about you publicly. I didn't gossip, all right? Hold on. Shira, looking at your GBP USD chart, I set my stop loss to break even above. That's good. Lekker. All right. That's lekker. Remember, spreads is going to differ, Shira. It's not a fixed spread. Fundamentals pushes. All right. Fundamentals can widen the spread. It's not a fixed one, okay? Moves with the exchange rate. So if there's any crazy fluctuations, guess what? Happens in the spread. All right. Savage, I see those laughing there. Yes, no gossip. All transparent right here. I chatted about the USD Swiss franc and the Euro USD. Did you see the sucker found a bit of support there? Yeah. Also, Shira, perhaps that stop loss was just too tight as well, my friend. So you got to start looking at that stop loss as well. All right. So guys, look, Savage has changed direction, going along on the Euro USD now. All right. You see, guys, that's important because we're doing minute frames, we're doing hourly frames. All right. So I'm assuming everybody's lekker now. I'm assuming everybody's okay now. We're gonna allow some of the other slow pokes to come on at some time. It's Tuesday, 21st of July. We're about to knock down the month of July as well. We are quickly going into August, guys. We are already 6 months down into the 2026 or the year of 2026. If we wipe out our eyes, it's going to be Christmas again, all right? So at least you guys are getting fantastic content here on your way to Christmas. So let's kick it off then with the oil price here. Please, guys, remember we are dealing with minute frames now at the moment, not hourlies. As she's dealing with minute frames right here. Tanya, I'm pretty sensible on my side. Looking sensible or sensibly here. Thank you very much. And I hope your eyes are sensible too. I know from, speaking from the gold earlier on, there was a lot of gold happening at 9:30, so I hope you guys are lekker there. Barticle, I see you there as well. All right, I see Vabina, I see you there. I hope I got the name right there. All right, Red. All right. So guys, I'm ready. So the oil price here, guys, looking at the minute frames, as you can clearly see here, I said to you yesterday, guys, very, very simply, head, shoulder, head. Inverse. Here's the neckline. Highlighted the neckline to you. Said to you, if you break above the neckline, there's a higher probability we go back to visit the 89 levels. All right, 88, 89. Price broke it. Correction. Held. and now ascended for the higher high. So this has played out exactly as anticipated. The good thing that I would have liked here was below 84. We did not go there. That's why I said to you guys, what am I doing to make it visually appealing and understandable to everybody? The black is the levels. The blue is where I would like to get in. 84.550 was not touched, not whatsoever. It has stayed above the 85, so I'm anticipating the oil price to continue to push up at this point in time on the minutes. If it breaks above that level there, that means the hourlies are being pursued now. All right, then I'll go to the hourlies at that time. But right now, I'm not going to the hourlies because we are still busy on the minute frames here. All right, so oil price still looking pretty bullish in from a scalping perspective intraday. All right, short term, very bullish right now. Now, with the oil price going up, don't forget how it normally works. When the oil price goes up, inflation does happen. We don't see inflation right away. Obviously, this happens over a period of time. And then obviously the reports, they come out and they confirm the inflation has gone up. Now, with higher inflation, that obviously seeps into the different elements of an economy. We find that jobs get impacted by high inflation. Companies aren't able to do what they would normally do with high inflation. We obviously know that the actual consumer gets affected quite roughly because of higher prices. And so then how does that impact the charts? We find the dollar goes up when the oil price goes up. So we're looking for a stronger dollar than if the oil continues to persist. Now, please bear in mind, it's not only the oil price that's pushing the dollar up. It is also the inflation that leads to higher interest rates. Because when inflation goes up, interest rates needs to be hiked as well. So it is a multi-mix of or a variety of reasons why we are saying we are then looking for the dollar to continue to strengthen. It is the oil price that has an impact on inflation. In turn, high interest rates needs to be kept. So the gold price, there was a question earlier on, I believe, was it Brett or was it Brett? Yes, I think it was Brett asked about holding the gold price. And I said there that, guys, what gold has done now, it has entered into a rejected state, meaning rejected state to go to the upside. It came down previously, tried to go up, rejected, tried to go up, rejected. And so price is back at that area right there. So we're seeing that same rejection pan out. We're seeing that the dollar is having a correction right now. And I said to you guys earlier on, when you come back at midday, we may possibly find that the dollar index also is then resuming the high it had yesterday. So we might see the gold price come down a little bit further. All right, 4112.26 per ounce. That is what I'm looking at. Then I want to take it up. I know that the guys already capitalized on this move over here. That move there, they've already capitalized this entire move here. And so that was spot on yesterday. Very, very accurate. I told the guys I missed out on that move early this morning. But I know, and I told the guys this morning as well, they're very proud of them for them to actually have gotten into that move. So those entire moves, we could be correcting them right now. All right, that's the gold price. The silver price, same story, but this one has not reached 59.661 yet. That's the difference there. It's not reached the 59.661. So let's see then how it moves whilst we're busy here. All right, let's go to the euro dollar here. And you can see that this was Savage's moves. This was Savage's move to the downside. So Robert said now that he's looking to long the Euro USD instead now. All right, we're still on the hourly frames, hourly moving down. So I can actually restart this guy here All right, I can restart it, but I did already put a very important level or at least zone in place. This gray area here is important, guys. Once we push above this gray area here, there's a higher probability we're pushing up to 1.16182. One cannot forget that. One cannot omit that. So let's watch this just for midday. If by 3 o'clock today there is no significant movement here, I'm going to restart the Euro USD. I'm going to leave it for now and I'll wait for it and I'll see where it goes to by 3 o'clock. It's 1500 hours. The GBP USD is still looking pretty bearish here. We have seen a bit of an impulse to the upside. We've seen a correction of the impulse. The price is busy stalling right now. Those highs are going to be critical for me right here. If I get any movement to the upside and it breaks and closes above these or this block over here, I will not like the GBP USD anymore. Right now, I am still bearish. I am in profit still with GBP USD. So I'm waiting for this one to pan out. All right. Everybody's still all right. Everybody's still okay. Let's see. Where's the guys? Hoping everybody is still all right here. That's the GBP USD. Let's move now to AUD USD. Since 9:30 this morning, we know the Tokyo session is also done. Since 9:30 this morning, the AUD USD has followed the 4-hour, 3-hour, the bigger time frames. So I'm no longer looking at this one the way I did. I'm leaving this alone to move, and then obviously later on we'll see what's happening. The NZD USD, however, is stalling now, guys. This one is staying at this area right here. Now this is looking similar to that of the NZD JPY. All right, let's go. Look at the NZD JPY, also looking similar here. So the NZD USD and the NZD JPY is looking similar in structure. They have both been moving and going deeper into that resistance. Lots of divergence on this one here. Lots of divergence, all right? It's not a specific case where we just get in immediately. There's a step-by-step process over here, guys, that is taking place. We need price to start breaking beneath at least, you see this area over here? We need price to start breaking beneath those zones. More so 58. Hold on. See this structure here? We need price to start breaking below 0.58376. Let me actually place it there. 0.58376. Right there. All right. If the dollar strengthens, it's going to be wonderful. If the dollar strengthens, it's going to be wonderful. We're going to have to wait and see. All right. So right now, NZD USD, beautiful movement down. This is also a nice hold. I will definitely hold it up until the zone here. I'll hold it until that zone right there. Hold on, guys. Apologies for that. Uh, 0.57382. From the angle of, hold on for me, guys. Yeah, so this morning the NZD had a much higher CPI reading. Let's go there. You see that? The NZD JPY, 1.5%. GBP, the claimant count change, slightly lower. But when I say slightly, it's an understatement. From 29,000, we had 6.7 thousand. All right, so that is a really really big change in terms of the unemployment there. It is massive. There's less. All right, there's less, but I mean 29 versus 6, and then you have a 1 there, guys. It's yeah. So 6K, and we saw the pound try to strengthen. It just did not follow through. So tomorrow we have at 8 a.m. the CPI for the pound. Thursday we have the AUD. All right, so please keep these ones in mind here. All right, so right now we're waiting for 58376. We'll see how price moves over there. All right, we'll see how price moves over there. Then we have US30 still struggling at that area. There is divergence there, but it's struggling to push to the upside. That's a 1 hour frame. That's a 1 hour frame. USD JPY, nothing has changed here. S&P 500, I got into this trade, guys. So I got into this trade over here. All right, I got into this trade over here. I said to you this morning, 7495. All right, so 7495 to 7521. I've gotten into this trade over here, S&P 500. There is divergence here for sure. Look at that. Yeah, there's the divergence. Beautiful. So I'm anticipating for price to go up to 7521. That's S&P 500. That's S&P 500. And I'm monitoring that on a 15-minute frame. All right. Then NAS. Divergence here, guys. I'm split on the NAS at this point in time. We've had quite a bit of a run to the upside today. I'm not moving an inch with NAS at this point. I'm not touching it. This one does not look the same as with the S&P 500 as well as the US30. This one, there's more movement here because of the AI semiconductor sectors here, guys. I'm waiting for 29,000 to be broken before I go in here. Everybody still all right? I hope everybody's still doing wonderfully on their side over there. All right, just let me know. Let me know if everything is still going well there. All right, let's see. Tanya's there. All right, good. Savage, long on AUD USD. All right, long on AUD USD. That's the hourly frames kicking in. Then we got the Euro CAD here, guys. So I got out of this one for now because I saw the CAD strengthening a little bit here. I got out of these ones. I managed to, from that area there, really push up nicely, 29 to 30 pips. So I'm out of this here. You can see the movement from there to there. So I'm out of Euro CAD. But I'm still in Euro GBP, and I am now in the profits, guys. I'm now in the profits. Is everybody with me there? I'm now in the profits. I'm anticipating the Euro GBP to continue further up. I'm not sure if it was the Batso or if it was Batume yesterday that brought up Euro GBP, and I am in this one now as well. Euro GBP. Hold on a second, guys. Just checking the connectivity here quickly. All right. Can everybody still hear it well? Let's make sure the guys can still hear me well. And can everybody still see well? Let's quickly see here. Take some report. Is anyone else on Euro GBP there? Euro GBP, quickly let me know there, guys. Don't forget, you can open a trading account at www.tdmarkets.com. You can also email our support team at care@tdmarkets.com. So Euro GBP in there at this point in time. GBP CAD, I am not in there. We managed to go to that area or those areas yesterday and today. we first landed here, then we landed there, and you can see we're coming down. So I got out of this because I see the CAD is really strengthening at this point in time. Okay, the Euro NZD did reach our my take profit, and that was last night at 11:30. I'm out of this one. It triggered my take profit. Okay, so I'm leaving that one as is for now. Then the USD Swiss franc. I know, Savage, you had the USD Swiss franc in your radar, or on your radar, and it seems like there's a bit of a resistance that is panning out now, which is why I was so clear about the difference between minutes and hours. Make sure you know what period you are trading, guys, because if you're trading hourlies, you may just be ahead of the move instead of the minutes where you can be in the move. And I think that's a very important point. Okay, that's a very, very important point. All right, so Mohasi is also in it there. Euro GBP. All right, brilliant, brilliant. Let's go. CHF JPY. All right, still in here, and we are still bullish, guys. We came down early on today, and we've just gone and created a new higher low. So that is a new higher high. So that's brilliant there. AUD JPY, I've not touched it. I said I want to leave this one because it's moving in alignment with the AUD USD at this point. All right. The CAD, like I said, I got out of this one, guys. We can see that price at this point in time is failing to push to the upside for now. There's a correction happening, and we might just come down a little bit deeper. So I don't want to stay in there for too long. So I'll wait for it to come down, and I'll grab a new area to go into for the USD CAD. The USD CAD. All right. Let's see what else is happening here. GBP yen staying put at the 218.137. Staying put. It's not really broken there convincingly, guys. I'm not convinced. I don't know who else is looking for this one, but I'm not convinced with GBP yen at this moment in time. It's struggling to push. All right. The NZD JPY, like we said, this is similar to the NZD USD. We're waiting to say, Shirley, I see you there. You in the CHF and you in profits. Good. Well done. Well done there. Showing you some love. Showing you some love over there. So, guys, the NZD JPY, you can see that it's really moved, really just sideways at this moment in time. Nothing for us to really say, listen, things are moving. All right. It's really quiet at this point today, or at least at midday. We may be getting some movement then again later on with the US. I'm going to switch on the Russell 2000 now. Also something great to trade. Let's go in. Russell 2000. Sorry, guys. Russell 2000. 1 hour frame. Just give it a bit of time to quickly. 15 minute. Oh, man. Look at the 15-minute, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Can you guys see this? All right, so let me. So you see, this is why this Russell is a. Look at all this consolidation here. This is very volatile right now. Oh, this is very. Yeah, this is, guys, this is pretty. This one has already gone 50%. This move is almost done. Russell 2000. Possibly same as NASDAQ. You guys see that? All right, so, oh my. See, this one is already broken, guys. This is actually good to go. This one's already good to go. Oh, wow. This one's already good to go, guys. It's just correcting right now. But I would take it rather to... Yeah, there we go. Guys, this one's already good to go. Russell 2000. Oh, wow. Oh, this is good, guys. Are you guys with me here, guys? Can I quickly make sure you guys are tracking? Look, this is interesting, man. Shira sitting in NZDJPY at the moment, going nowhere for now. Yeah, it's going nowhere, man. I'm waiting for that, Shira. I needed to break below 94. I'm not going to get in there now. All right. Are we together? So Russell 2000 is actually good to go. There's a slight correction coming. Looks like it. But we're good to go here, guys. Oh, wow. So if I do a buy limit here. So there's a buy. I can get in here. I got a buy limit in there. So I've got a buy limit in there. I think we're first going to come down one more time here. Yeah. One more time coming down. I'll get in here. Around 2957. So I'm already in the S&P 500. And I'm now looking at the Russell 2000. Are you guys with me there? Tato, not a problem. You hear? That's what matters, right? All right. So Russell 2000, I think there's another correction, a deeper correction coming. I got a buy limit in there. I'm going to wait for it. I'm not getting in now. Although it's ready, guys. You see this here, if I show you quickly, this is the break above. It's ready. All right, let's loop back quickly. Oil price, let's see. Still going up. Gold price. Oh man, look at this. I think we're going to come down here first. Silver price. Euro USD. Nothing here. GBP USD. Looking to come down. Nothing yet. AUD. Nothing. NZD. Nothing. US. Look, going up. Look at that. Nice. Look at the US30. And then I'm in on the S&P 500. This, you know, guys, to be honest with you, this S&P looks like we could be pushing down first. That would actually be great. If we can push down first, I'll get a much better opportunity if it pushes down first. So I'll wait on that one. NAS 100, I'll wait on it as well. Looks like it's all swelling up. to come down first. Look at the divergence there. All right. Guys, anyone else seeing profits in the Euro GBP quickly, guys? Anyone else seeing profits in the Euro GBP quickly? Let me know there. In the Euro GBP, anyone else seeing some profits there now? Let's see. Profits on the Euro GBP, guys. I am long on that one there from yesterday. It's taking time, but it's there. All right, let's go. Ethereum. I'm on BTC as well. All right, Ethereum. Here we go. Ethereum. Guys, I'm not trading this on the... I'm not trading this on the minute frames, all right? Just give it a few seconds. I'm just wanting this to load. Yeah, look at that. That's what I'm looking for. Woo-wee! This is beautiful. Guys, this is beautiful. All right, can you see the 50's been reached? This is a hold for me. Up to 3,402. Oh, wow. So right now, price at this point in time, looks like we could be coming back here first. So what I'm going to do is... I'm getting in here. I'm getting at 2201. Let's write it there for you guys. And I'll be holding this till 3402 point. There it is right there. All right, Busi, Euro GBP, good. All right, so Ethereum, guys, I'm waiting for it. I'm not getting in now, guys. Above 2201, I'll get in. Above 2201, I'll get in. Beautiful divergence here. Look at that. All right, 2201. Hold on, Russell 2000. Like I said, this is good to go. Look at that. And then Ethereum. All right, let's go back to, let's loop back in. Oil, still there. All right, GBP USD, still there. S&P going up. All right, profits there. Okay, guys, we're looking solid, man. Oh yeah, look at the CHF JPY about to finish. Anyone here quickly? CHF JPY, we're about to finish. CHF JPY, we're about to finish, guys. Look at that. What a trade. What a trade, guys. Let's see what else. Gold to the euro. Gold to the euro, 1 hour frame. Uh, all right, so here we go. Gold to euro, 3556.91. Then we have price pushing up to 3652.81. Early in profits. All right, good. You close at least. That's the important part. So gold to the euro, guys. XAU euro 3556.91. 3585 is where I want to get in. Ah, no, sorry. I put the wrong number there. Apologies, guys. Apologies. 3585. Apologies. That's my mistake. Ethereum above 2201. I'll hold that one. Look at Russell 2000. Let's just do some more recon here. GBP CAD, Euro. Yeah, guys, we're doing well. And the DUSD, guys, we're doing very well. Savage, are you sure it's about to move up there? Euro USD. Don't you think it's setting it down up to come down? Are you sure about that? You're not, because remember, that's the impulse down. That's the correction of the impulse. You sure that's not just an impulse for us to come down here? Tanya, Pussy, you and Tanya, why are you guys laughing? Tell me the joke. Tell me the joke too. Come on now. Don't be selfish with that. Tell me the joke. Euro JPY. That's for Robert. Euro JPY long. Let's see. You guys know I want to first check it out. Man, you know what I'm afraid of? We've already come too far up. I'm seeing rejection here. Hey, Savage, I'm seeing rejection, bud. Yeah, I'm seeing. Savage, I'm seeing downside, man. I'm seeing downside. What I will agree with, I think we're going to revisit these highs. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing there, Savage. Where I'm going to go in, though, is... Man, guys, this is light work, man. It's light work. 185.282, 184.740. Those highs. I think we're going to go back to those highs there. Busi, you got to let us know. You got to let us know there, Busi, why you're laughing. Okay, give us the joke as well. Tanya, I'm not laughing, Ash. I'm not laughing, Ash. All right, so Savage. Okay, so you're looking at yours in the higher time frames. Yeah. So, guys, so this is minute frames here. Robert's looking at higher time frames. We're looking at shorter time frames right now. All right. All right, so guys, let's do a loop back quickly. It's pretty quiet here. It's pretty quiet. It's not really. What I would like is action. I want quickness. There's no fundamental that gives it. I want fast-paced movement. All right, oil price, same place. Created a higher high. Nothing moved there yet. Gold, nothing yet. Guys, I'm telling you, the US Open. High probability, gold comes down. Boom. Silver, nothing yet. High probability, we come down. GBP USD. High probability we come down first. GBP USD already coming down. Anyone else in profits here? I'm in profits. Anyone else in profits here? Quickly, quickly, quickly. GBP USD, guys. GBP quickly. GBP USD. Anyone else? GBP USD, guys. Quickly, quickly. I'm in profits there now. All right. Non-flare. So you're in profits there, right? Shira, are you still in there? All right. Let's see here. AUD USD. Nothing yet. See you guys. Look at that. I'm telling you, that dollar strength could be coming later on. So please watch out. NZD USD, the same here. All I'm saying is below 58376, guys, I'm in. I'm in there. Below 58376, I'm in NZD USD. All right. Guys, we'll pause it here. Look at this, man. Beautiful. Excuse me. And then CHF JPY, bit of a correction happening there now. GBP yen. Looks like the yen is coming down, guys. Oh, we gotta be careful. Guys, you gotta be careful with the CHF JPY. That's the case. Don't tell me we hit a rejection point. We did. Look there. Oh, snap. We hit a rejection point. Okay. I've just closed it. We hit this rejection point here. We've just hit that rejection point. So every time, look, there's the point there. You see there. So I want to see, but I mean, it was a good move. 27 points, good move. Oh, nice. Preston, I just joined now. Did you show gold? I did, but I'll go there for you, not a problem. Shira, I see you also closed now. All right. All right. So I closed in profits there, CHF, JPY. Gold, it's standing still right now. Okay, Preston. Anticipating price to come down here actually after a rally to the upside this morning. GBP USD in profits here. So I'm not in gold at the moment. All right, I'm not in gold at the moment. But let me do this. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Guys, I'm going to look at gold on a 15-minute frame. That's the coming down part, okay? Oh, yeah. All right. 423. Back. 453. But it's very volatile, guys. Oh, man. I would watch this zone very carefully. I'd watch that very carefully. Yeah, I'd watch that very carefully. Below this zone here, I see the downside. 455. But I would watch this like a hawk, man. 423 point. Yeah, that's the correction I see right now, but I'd be very careful. It is, and watch that gray zone. Those highs are, that's where a lot of stop losses are right now. Lots of them. Stop losses are sitting right here. So what price can do is boom, come up and then go down again. I'd be careful on this one for now. All right. All right, guys. So it's 12:50. We've been streaming. It's good. Guys, I must say, we stable for now. Let's see what happens at 3 o'clock. We stable for now. We're seeing a bit of dollar strength coming in now. Hopefully by 3 o'clock, we're going to have some more dollar strength that's going to push us in the right direction. All right. So watch for dollar strength right now to develop between now and 3 o'clock, and let's see if it gets sustained. All right. Everybody good? All right, later. Later, guys. I'll see you soon. 3 o'clock. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.